Hi, I'm Lisa Amann, Senior Analyst on the Government Relations team here at Cincinnati Children's. Today we are starting the conversation about how parents can become mental health advocates. 1 in 5 young people are experiencing a mental health challenge, and many do not get the help that they need. My role at Cincinnati Children's is to work to change this. I work with legislators, elected officials, providers, community partners, and others to strengthen the system of care so families can get the help that they need. Nothing is more important in advancing this work than the personal stories of families and caregivers. That's why advocacy matters, because when people speak up, systems change. We are already seeing that impact. Because of advocacy, Mobile Response and Stabilization Services, or MRSS, is now available across Ohio for all families and children when it is needed, wherever it is needed. In Ohio, schools are now required to include 988 suicide and crisis lifeline information on student IDs and other materials, so help is within reach whenever it is needed. Also in Ohio, advocates were successful in advancing work around providing evidence-based annual prevention instruction for students, which means that students don't have to figure this out on their own. They're being taught how to support each other and ask for help. These kinds of changes don't just happen by accident. They happen because parents, educators, students, and others use their voice to push for change that can make a difference. But advocacy doesn't just happen on the policy level. For parents, it starts much closer at home. You know your child best, and sharing your experiences can be a powerful advocacy tool. And when parents speak up for their own child and others, it helps create stronger schools, communities where all can feel supported. You can find out who your legislators are online at your state's website. You could consider writing them a letter, attending a town hall, or even setting up a meeting with them to talk about your experiences as a parent. It's about showing up and helping build a world where all children feel seen, supported, and safe enough to speak up and ask for help. Let's continue learning how we can all advocate for youth mental health. And most importantly, let's keep the conversation going.